Hello everybody. Welcome you all at Learning is Fun with Progaparumita. Today I am going to tell you the interesting facts about by and with. These two prepositions are used in a sentence in a similar sense but in a different way. So in this video, I am going to tell you what is the difference of using by and with in a sentence. So let's see here. By and with can be used to say how somebody does something. By is used when we talk about an action, what we do to get a result. That is, this is the example for you. I killed the spider by hitting it. That means by hitting it refers to the action, and the result is I killed the spider. Similarly, here we use with to talk about a tool or other object what we use to get a result. For example, I killed the spider with a shoe, not by a shoe. Here, when we are talking about these two examples, you find when we use by actually refers to the method for or the agent, that is all trouble was caused by you, that is the agent, and here by hitting it, that means a method. But with is used when you are talking about a tool, that is I killed the spider with a shoe. Now, by versus with, what is the difference then? He got where he was by hard work. No, he didn't. You can say that he got there with his father's power. Here, this is two examples, and in these two examples, you find preposition by and with is used, but in the different sense. What is the difference then? Here, by refers to the method or agent, whereas with refers to the tool. By is used to do to get a result, where we use with to get a result. That is the tool which is used to get a result. In that case, we use with. But if we are talking about how do we get that result, we have to use the preposition by. Now, what is the opposite of by and with? Here, without is used as the opposite of both with and by. For example, I got her to listen by shouting. Here, it's difficult to get her to listen without shouting. Here, the sense is the similar. When you are talking about by or with, the opposite must be without. We will have to get it out with a screwdriver. We can't get it out without a screwdriver. Here, by is used to refer to means of transport, for example, by bus, by train, etc. This is the use of by. And by also used in a passive clause. In passive clause, by introduces the agent, the person or thing that does the action. For example, I was interviewed by 3 directors. My car was damaged by a falling branch. I was shocked by your attitude. All the trouble were caused by you. After past participle of some stative verb, including some of which can be used as an adjective, you can use other preposition other instead of by or other than by. For example, we were worried about or by her silence. Both are correct. You can use worried about or by. Or, are you frightened of a spider? That is here instead of by, the other preposition of is used in that case. Now, sometimes we use with in a passive clause. Here, we generally prefer with to refer to a tool or instrument used by somebody. This is the very important and very interesting examples are here. He was killed by a heavy stone. Look at the difference. This could mean a heavy stone fell and killed him. But if we are talking about he was killed with a heavy stone, that means somebody used a stone to kill him. This is the difference. That is, when you are using with in a passive clause, that means somebody did that action or does that action. Now, by is used as a time preposition, and here by can mean not later than. For example, I will be home by 5 o'clock. That means at or before 5 o'clock. Can I borrow your car? Yes, but I must have it back by tonight. That means before tonight or tonight, that is. By can also suggest the idea of progress up to a particular time. That means by the end of the meal, everybody was drunk. Now, by the time, this is very important when you are talking about by the time, is used with a verb to mean not later than the moment that something happened. This is very important. For example, I will be in bed by the time you get home. By the time that the guard realized what was happening, the gang were already inside the bank. In these cases, by the time is used in these sentences, in this manner to say that not later than the moment that something happens. So, I hope you understand the difference between by and with and their use in different sentences. So, no more today. Thank you for listening and bye-bye.